Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe for chickpea salad. So I got this recipe from my brother. Shout out to Dante, my little bro. And this chickpea salad, when I tell you, it has become a staple in my household. I make this dish at least once a week. I love it. It's delicious. And I hope you love it too. So these are the ingredients. Let me just get them up for you. Okay, so that is in the reverse. So I will link this in the description box below, but I'll read them to you. So for the salad, you're going to need 2 cans of chickpeas. Now, I don't recommend the canned version of the chickpeas. I use the dry beans, just a regular size bag of dry chickpeas. You're going to need to soak them overnight, and then after that, you need to cook them. So you want to boil them in water until they're tender. Let them cool down, and then they're ready for you to use with this salad. You need a half a cup of cranberries, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, half a cup of scallions, half a cup of parsley, half a cup of red pepper, and a half a cup of carrots. Now, you can certainly substitute these vegetables and herbs for what you have on hand. For example, instead of the dried cranberries, I have used dried cherries. And I omitted the half a cup of carrots because I get a lot of carrots, and I also do a overnight oats. And if you're interested, leave me a comment below. I can do a video on that recipe as well. So I have enough carrots, so I didn't use carrots in this, but I just used an extra amount of the cherry tomatoes. Okay, now for the dressing, you're going to need 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic, teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a quarter cup of honey. So for the garlic, I really like garlic. So I actually used about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. So you can do that according to your taste. And then you just combine everything. All your vegetables, you're going to toss them in a bowl. Your dressing, you're going to want to put that in a measuring cup. Maybe mix it all up in a large measuring cup, and then pour that over your salad mixture. All right, and then you'll have something that looks like this. Very delicious. And now for the taste test to just confirm that it's very delicious. And I just want to make sure I get a little bit of everything in my bowl and on my spoon. It's very delicious. Now, one thing I do notice, because I do this all the time, you definitely have to let it chill for at least 2 hours. I'm going to let mine chill overnight, so I'm going to be eating this tomorrow. It really gives everything a chance to blend in well, and the flavors are going to really come through strong. Now, I'm able to taste everything. I can taste the cilantro. I can taste the scallion, tomatoes, everything that's in there. But again, by chilling it at least 2 hours, that's going to really blend the flavors, and you're going to really taste everything, and it's going to be really strong flavors. Now, this wasn't in the list of ingredients, but I like to add crushed red pepper, maybe about a half a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, depending on how much heat you want. It just gives it an extra, it just kind of levels it up a little bit for me. So that's what I put in here. So I hope you give it a try. I hope you like it. And if you do, leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in my next video.